Okay, so another one of my students brought Haitian food.
Here you go.
Explain what it is, Ryan.
It's spaghetti with hot dogs with vegetables on it. But I recommend do not eat the vegetables with the Haitian food.
Okay, so we're gonna try this. 1 second, so we all get a spoonful. Okay, so let me get my spoonful, and then everyone else will get their spoonful.
Do crazy thing with you, cause I'm hungry
Just
too.
throw it like that.
Y'all can take even more. What are y'all doing?
Wait, we're just getting a little bit for now to try.
Wow.
Wait.
Look,
Can I try?
you're making a mess. 1 second. Don't eat it.
do nothing.
You ready?
Right here.
Set.
Smell it.
Go.
It's good.
It's good. How was it?
Well, look at that.
Is it good?
I'm gonna get more.
I look like a person. I'm gonna get more.
That is really good.
good.
Back up.
Give me some.
This is mine. Wait.
Okay, we ate this food. It was really good. But Juju, she said it was 9 out of 10. For me and for the others, I think it was 10 out of 10.
What do you think?
9 out of 10.
I put it. It was on my own food. Why would you?
I would give it a 9 too, but it was really, really good. I loved it, and someone left the carrot. We ate. We like.
We ate it.
Listen, according to the bowl, this is a 10 out of 10 though, because it's completely clear.